Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher near the Wi-Fi and wait a second, and after that you'll see here all the available networks, and now we can connect to one from these networks. For example, I'll go with this one. Here you should enter the network password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. Then just by click once on this eye icon, you can see the just the password to have no some mistakes. After that, just click to connect here. Wait a second, and where is my network here? What's going on? I don't know why this network is gone. Okay, we'll try to do this with another one. So here, enter the device password. Okay, I'll do this out of screen. Now just click here to connect. Wait a second, and as can you see, we just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, we can select another one, just this one for example. By the same way, enter the password and click here to connect. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel here and then click here on the Wi-Fi icon to activate it. Just after that, hold the icon and you will launch the Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way you will just select one from these available networks. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi icon, you should Wi-Fi on your device, you should click once again on this Wi-Fi icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.